Host, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some valuable life advice that can help you navigate the ups and downs of life. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our empowering videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Setting goals. The first piece of advice I have for you is to set clear and achievable goals. Whether they're personal or professional, having goals gives your life direction and purpose. Break them down into smaller steps, and you'll find yourself making steady progress. Number 2. Embracing change. Life is all about change. Don't be afraid to embrace it. Change often leads to growth and new opportunities. Instead of resisting change, adapt, learn, and evolve. It's the key to personal development. Number 3. Cultivating positivity. Maintaining a positive mindset can make a world of difference. Surround yourself with positive influences, practice gratitude, and focus on solutions, not problems. A positive outlook can transform your life. Number 4. Building resilience. Host, life can be tough, but developing resilience is crucial. Learn to bounce back from setbacks, use failures as stepping stones to success, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, resilience is a muscle you can strengthen. Number 5. Nurturing relationships. Our next piece of advice is to invest time in nurturing meaningful relationships. Building strong connections with family and friends provides a support system that can help you through life's challenges. Practicing self-care. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Make time for activities that recharge your body and mind. Prioritize your well-being through exercise, meditation, hobbies, or simply taking a break when needed. Number 7. Continuous learning. Never stop learning. Whether it's acquiring new skills or gaining knowledge, lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp and opens doors to opportunities you might never have imagined. Number 8. Giving back. Host, one of the most fulfilling things you can do in life is to give back. Whether it's volunteering, helping others in need, or simply being kind, the act of giving brings joy and purpose. Host, there you have it, some valuable life advice to help you on your journey. Remember, life is a beautiful adventure, and how you navigate it is up to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep living your best life.